Are you planning a rainy day camping trip with family and friends? You're in the right place. When the skies open and the forest breathes in the downpour, most people pack up, but not you. With the right gear, wet weather becomes pure adventure. In this video, I'll reveal 20 must-have camping essentials for rain, from waterproof shelters to emergency food and survival multi-tools. These items don't just protect, they help you embrace every soaked, stormy moment. This isn't just a gear list, it's your rain-ready checklist for enjoyable camping. So hit that like button, check the links below, and don't forget to subscribe and share with your loved ones. Without further ado, let's dive in. Number 20. Moccha Folding Camping Tent. When you're camping in the rain, the ground floods, the cold bites, and the wild turns wet, you stay elevated, dry, and ready. No soggy sleeping bags, no crawling critters, just off-ground comfort, built-in warmth, and weather-resistant protection. Whether you're hiking, picnicking, or escaping the grid, this setup turns downpour into downtime. Compact to carry, quick to deploy. Rain or shine, it doesn't just shelter, it shields, lifts, and lets you rest where nature won't. Number 19. OGERY Sleeping Pad. When the trail ends and the rain begins, the ground turns cold, uneven, and unforgiving. But you don't. With 6 inches of extra thick comfort, a built-in pillow, and a foot pump for fast inflation, this ultralight sleeping pad lifts you off the soaked earth and into warmth. Reinforced for rugged terrain, yet compact enough to carry anywhere, it's made for tent life, hiking escapes, and off-grid recovery. No batteries, no bulk, just rest, where nature refuses to offer it. Number 18. Opret 2-pack raincoats for adults reusable. When the sky breaks open and the trail turns slick, you don't run, you gear up. Lightweight, yet waterproof, these reusable EVA rain ponchos shield you from sudden downpours without weighing you down. Designed for both men and women, they pack small, wear easy, and move with you, whether you're hiking, picnicking, or navigating city streets. Breathable, durable, and ready to deploy, this rain gear doesn't just cover, it protects, adapts, and saves you all, and keeps you moving when the weather tries to stop you. Number 17. SaphiRose Unisex Rain Poncho Raincoat. When the rain hits and the wind picks up, you don't scramble, you glide through it. Lightweight yet protective, this hooded poncho wraps you in waterproof comfort with a roomy fit and built-in pockets for essentials. Whether you're hiking, commuting, or caught in a sudden downpour, it moves with you, shielding without clinging. Designed for both men and women, it's breathable, reusable, and ready to deploy. Rain doesn't ask permission. This poncho doesn't need it. Number 16. Down camping blanket. When the wind bites and the fire fades, warmth shouldn't be a luxury. It should follow you. Puffy yet packable, this ultralight quilt wraps you in 650 fill power insulation with water-resistant protection. Whether you're at a festival, on the beach, in a hammock, or deep in the backcountry, it's built to move, shield, and comfort without bulk. From stadium chills to mountain nights, this blanket doesn't just warm, it travels with you, ready for wherever rest finds you. Number 15. iClimb UltralightCamping Folding Table. When you're deep in the wild and the ground's no place for gear, this table shows up. Ultralight, compact, and quick to deploy, it gives you a clean, stable surface for meals, maps, or midnight repairs. Whether you're cooking by the fire, prepping your pack, or just sipping under the stars, it lifts your essentials off the dirt and into reach. Built for movement, not bulk, this table doesn't just support, it simplifies outdoor living. Number 14. Alpha Camp Oversized Folding Camping Chair. Outdoors isn't always gentle, so your chair shouldn't be fragile. This oversized folding camping chair from Alpha Camp is built to hold up to 450 pounds with a reinforced steel frame, padded comfort, and rugged reliability. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just soaking in sunset views, it's got your back. Literally. With a cooler bag, side pocket, and cup holder, it keeps your essentials close and your drinks cold. Foldable, portable, and ready for the wild, this chair doesn't just support, it upgrades your outdoor throne. Number 13. Dual Fuel Portable Camping Stove. When the rain pours and the firewood fails, you don't panic. You ignite. This dual fuel stove runs on propane or butane, giving you flexibility when conditions get unpredictable. Compact, portable, and packed in a rugged carry case, it's built for camping, hiking, and emergency kits alike. With patented safety features and reliable ignition, it turns rough weather into hot meals. Whether you're off-grid or off-schedule, this stove doesn't just cook, it keeps you prepared when nature tests your limits. Number 12. Sun Ninja Beach Tent Sun Shelter. When the sun scorches or a light drizzle rolls in, you don't retreat, you set up shade that adapts. This UPF 50+ canopy pops up fast with stability poles, ground pegs, and a sand shovel, offering reliable cover from harsh rays and light rain. Whether you're camping by the coast, fishing lakeside, or picnicking in your backyard, it flexes with the wind and shields without fuss. Lightweight, portable, and built for movement, this tent doesn't just block the sun, it shelters your moment. Number 11. Alocs Camping Cookware Set. When the trail stretches long and hunger hits hard, your kitchen should fit in your pack. This compact cookware set, forged from durable hard alumina, delivers lightweight strength for boiling, frying, and brewing under the open sky. Whether you're backpacking through hills, camping by the lake, or picnicking in the wild, it packs tight in a mesh carry bag and unfolds into a full cooking station. Built for heat, made for movement. This set doesn't just cook, it fuels the journey. Number 10. Camping Essentials Cookware Cooking Utensil Set. When the fire's lit and the ingredients are ready, your tools should be too. This portable mess kit packs stainless steel and silicone utensils into a compact, organized set that transforms any campsite, RV stop, or picnic table into a working kitchen. From flipping on the grill to stirring by the lake, every piece is built for durability, heat, and ease. Lightweight, travel-ready, and made to serve, this set doesn't just cook, it completes the outdoor meal ritual. Number 9. Fixed Blade Outdoor Knife and Fire Starter. When the trail gets wild and the light fades fast, you reach for more than a blade. You reach for a spark. This 3.9-inch fixed blade knife combines razor-sharp Swedish steel with an integrated fire starter, ready to slice, shave, and ignite in any terrain. Whether you're carving kindling, prepping camp meals, or striking flame in the rain, it's built to perform and built to last. Number 8. 16-in-1 Multitool Camping Gear. When you're out camping or deep in the wild, you never know what might hit. Weather shifts, gear failures, or unexpected challenges that demand quick thinking and reliable tools. That's why the Camping Essentials 16-in-1 Multitool is more than just gear. It's your all-in-one survival companion. With an axe, hammer, pliers, saw, screwdrivers, whistle, and more packed into a rugged sheath, it's built to adapt, react, de-deck-and-dash-yar, and perform. Number 7. Collapsible Portable LED Camping Lantern. In the wild, there's no power grid, just silence, shadows, and the unknown. That's where this collapsible LED lantern earns its place. Powered by solar and USB rechargeability, it brings light where nature offers none. Waterproof, lightweight, and compact, it's built for camping, hiking, hurricanes, and survival kits, ready to glow through rain, trail nights, and emergency setups. With a 4-pack, you light your tent, path, and cooking zone without wires, without worry. This isn't just a lantern, it's your light in the wild. Number 6. TurnOnSport Orienteering Compass. In the wild, screens fade, signals drop, and batteries die. But direction still matters. That's where this advanced orienteering compass steps in. Designed for scouts, hikers, and young explorers, it teaches real-world navigation with precision and ease. Whether you're camping in the hills, backpacking through forests, or gifting a survival tool to a curious kid, this compass delivers clarity when the trail disappears. Lightweight, durable, and built for hands-on learning, it doesn't just point north, it points to confidence in the wild. Number 5. 120-piece first aid kit. In the wild, injuries don't wait, and help isn't always near. That's why this compact, waterproof first aid kit belongs in every backpack, glove box, and gear stash. Packed with trauma bandages, burn gel, fever-cooling patches, and essential medical supplies, it's built for camping, hiking, travel, and emergency survival. Lightweight yet loaded. Number 4. Mountain House Beef Stroganoff with Noodles. When hunger hits in the wild, you don't want just calories. You want comfort. This freeze-dried beef stroganoff delivers rich flavor, tender beef, and creamy noodles, all in a lightweight pouch that's ready in minutes. Just add hot water, stir, and eat straight from the pack. No cleanup, no hassle. Number 3. Power Bank 15,000 mAh portable charger. In the wild or on the road, power isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. This slim 15,000 mAh power bank delivers 22.5 watts fast charging, built-in cables, and 6 output ports to keep your iPhone, Samsung, or iPad alive when outlets are nowhere in sight. The LED display gives you instant battery status, while the compact design slips into any pack, pocket, or emergency kit. Whether you're camping off-grid, traveling light, or prepping for the unknown, this isn't just a charger. It's your portable power source, essential, reliable, and always ready. Number 2. Paracord Planet Genuine Type. In the wild, strength isn't optional, it's essential. This genuine Type 3 550-pound paracord from Paracord Planet delivers tensile power, weather resistance, and versatile utility in every strand. Made from durable nylon and available in solid, multi, and reflective colors, it's ready for tent lines, gear repairs, emergency snares, and creative rigging. Number 1. GRAYL GeoPress 24-ounce Water Purifier Bottle. In the wild, clean water isn't guaranteed, it's essential. The GRAYL GeoPress turns rivers, lakes, and questionable taps into safe, drinkable hydration in just seconds. With its 24-ounce capacity, rugged build, and advanced filtration system, it removes viruses, bacteria, protozoa, and microplastics. No pumping, squeezing, or waiting. Whether you're hiking remote trails, camping off-grid, or traveling through uncertain terrain, this bottle doesn't just quench thirst. It protects your health, powers your journey, and proves that survival starts with water.